Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by activating the Axis Bank gift card so it becomes usable immediately. Once you have the 16-digit number, expiry date, and CVV, open the Axis app or web page and choose gift card activation, or call customer care and follow voice prompts. This verifies ownership. Make sure to set a secure PIN when asked, since many POS and ATM transactions require it. After activation, note the reference number and check the available balance to confirm the card is ready for spending. Now you use the activated card at merchants. For in-store purchases, present it and enter your PIN or tap if contactless is available. Once done online, choose prepaid or credit/debit card payment, enter the 16-digit number, expiry, and CVV, and complete any OTP or authentication. If the purchase total exceeds the remaining balance, make a split payment, pay the remainder with another card or cash. Make sure the billing name matches any merchant requirement to avoid declined transactions. Finish by verifying the remaining balance immediately after the purchase using the Axis app, website, or customer service. This prevents surprises. Make sure to keep transaction receipts and track the card expiry so you can use any leftover amount before it lapses. If a transaction is declined, don't panic. Confirm the card was activated, the PIN entered correctly, and the balance covered the charge. If issues persist, contact Axis support with your reference number for quick resolution and possible reauthorization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.